This is Sam, survival information and motivation. This past weekend, we seen Hurricane Dorian devastate the Bahamas. We heard about the gunman that killed 7 and injured others. So let's talk today about how we could prepare and be ready for these things. Let's get into it. So, the gunman in Texas. Apparently he went to work, he was fired, got stopped by traffic officers, led him on a car chase, stole a postal vehicle, and through all this time he was spraying shots at random people. So for you now, when you're driving to work or wherever it is, or just commuting, always be aware of what's going on. Not to say that you can duck and avoid bullets, but if you see a situation about to explode or about to escalate, maybe you could get away or get to cover if it's possible. Also, in your vehicle, make sure you have a real first aid kit, not just Band-Aid and little gauze. Get the big thick gauze. Also, it's something called quick clot that helps to stop the hemorrhaging and the bleeding. Take a first aid class. Look at something online. Learn to treat yourself as well as your family members, because the expression is nobody's coming, and if they're coming, it might be way too late. If you can stabilize somebody in the case of an emergency, by the time they get around to you, it's a better chance for that person being able to survive. Now, Walmart, the next topic, Walmart decided that they're going to stop selling certain types of handgun ammo, as well as no open carry in the store. I'm not a fan of open carry. I never really see the reason for it. If you have a firearm, why does everyone need to see it? The element of surprise is important, as well as you don't want to intimidate others just because you feel it's okay to carry a firearm, which I definitely feel it's okay for law-abiding citizens to carry firearms. So I don't know what they're doing with that. Kroger also jumped in. So as we can see, there's slow steps of, I'm not gonna say gun control, but people are tired of it and they're taking action. But as this action is being taken place, there's other things that's going to hurt other people. Manufacturers will be hurt, as well as the gun owners in the long run, I believe. When you got big retailers that get out the gun game, like Walmart, or slowly pulling out, then it makes for less competition, higher prices. Just speculating, and may not be the actual case. Hurricane Dorian devastated the Bahamas. He said it's touching down in some parts of Florida, some parts of the Carolinas, and as well as might go all the way up to Virginia. Remember, forecast, that's all it is forecasting. They're guessing, making educated guesses. So just be ready to leave town if you had to. Because think about it. If they said you need to be out on the road in an hour, can you do it? Or even a half an hour? Would you have all your important documents? Is your car tanked up? Do you have a quick means to grab everything you need, your go bag, and just be gone? Or what happens? You have to go pick up your children from school. Communications is messed up. How do you get to them? These are all things that you should probably consider, if you're into the survival life, if you want to laugh. But hey, if you're just gonna watch the news and follow what they say, never mind what I say. Thanks for tuning in. Please check the links in the bio, as well as support the channel. We also have a Patreon channel which you can subscribe to, and it's as little as $1 a month. That financing will go a long way, because there's still quite a few things I need to get done. It's going to need some additional financing, and it's something that's going to benefit a lot of people, because I don't want to be a millionaire to say I'm a millionaire. I'm going to be financially stable because I love freedom, and I want that freedom of choice. So say your affirmation today. Mine I've been saying lately is, I'm a money magnet. You say positive things, you think positive things, and it happens. And lately I've been finding a little money around the house. Now granted, it's not winning the lotto, but still, hey, finding $5-10 the other day for just cleaning up, it just goes to show you that power of thought. And as I attract it, so please subscribe, like, share. Thanks for tuning in. Freedom forever. Create and conquer. We out.